Welcome back friends to Art at Madhumandan. This is part 2, the pencil portrait series of a beautiful old woman. We saw how to draw the outline of face in the last session using the grid method. The link of this part 1 is given in the description below. Now we will see how to draw the texture of towel the old lady is wearing. Drawing of the texture of towel is challenging here as it has lots of details. So my aim is to simplify the method for you, give you an easy way to draw it and try to achieve the resemblance as much as possible. So please watch till the end and let's get started. After watching the full video, you will get how to draw the corner portions which I already done here. I am going to do the remaining middle portion. In this portrait, I have used these 3 charcoal pencils, soft, hard and medium. I am using the soft charcoal pencil which is very dark. Now do the uneven lines in the direction of the threads of the towel, like this. For anything you draw, you have to observe first. The towel which she weared on head is multicolor, so it gives appearance of light and dark mixed shades of strips in the black and white portrait. Randomly do the lines dark in small portions. At this border, use the medium charcoal pencil to give little dark appearance. Now here I am doing the light portion, so used the hard charcoal pencil to fill this area between the lines. Now we will blend using this blending stump. Blend the line also and the places in between the line also. Using medium charcoal pencil, fill up each row with little strokes in the oblique directions. Do it lightly like this. This is the electric eraser. Here is the button. While pressing it, the eraser refill spins like this and rub the area we want. This is used as a highlighter also. We will use it at random places. Press the button and use it. Also break the continuity of the lines at some places. Now do the lines in the other portion. Follow the pattern. In the same way, we will do here also. While observing with reference pic, here the line goes horizontally. So I am doing it in this way. This portion is medium dark, so using here medium charcoal pencil. After blending it, it will give dark value. After blending, repeat the lines once again. Repeat it at some places where it fades more. Now here I am showing how to gain the look like threads of towel. In reference pic, this pattern is given in medium dark portion. Press the button and run little up and down in little oblique way. While using electric eraser, good control is needed on button. Otherwise, it will rub more, then again you have to fill with pencil. Watch it carefully, you will get it. After completing this, layer with the pencil once again at some places where it is needed. You can see the same way the lower strip is done here, and below that there is a dark strip which is done with this soft charcoal, and after blending it will give this dark value. Done with the upper first portion. How's it? Please comment. So we saw here how to draw the towel texture in detailed way and the use of electric eraser as well. So friends, please share your thoughts and comments regarding this drawing with me. Please stay tuned and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.